morning, when Daniel turned this building into a home, he didn't have a good luck in finding a drywall person. So he used plywood and stained it. And this is the entryway. And what we're doing now is taking off the plywood, and we are having somebody come in here to drywall. But it saves him a lot of time to do the preparation work. So he's been working on this for, what, 2-3 hours this morning already?
Yeah, since about just before 8 o'clock.
But it's taking all the little nails out, and it's a lot of work, and then I'm just taking small pieces down into the basement. But this is the hallway. We will be doing all of this wall. Then we'll be doing this wall, which is the wall to the bathroom. And we'll be doing this part up to that triangular piece. This is our front door. And so he's just removing the nails now from everything as he's taking it down. This is also another wall that they'll be doing. And right now I'm just taking out screws because there were wall hangings and a shelf. Okay, so Daniel's taking down this wall. He only has the one little piece up there above that little closet, which he's removing right now. There's a lot of little nails to come out because he put all of this wallboard up with
a brad nailer.
This one done, and then this afternoon he'll be taking down this upper part here, and then tomorrow morning he'll do the lower. Okay, Daniel's doing the last wall now. Okay, so this is the one piece that has to fit properly around our trim work here, because this is a trim work going all the way up.
Yeah, we did this.
And
basically did it in series. We put one thing in and put another thing in, so it kind of overlaps.
That probably was the most difficult piece.
Yeah, these are going to be easier because I got this behind here.
Well, the upper part of the wall is already out.
Just don't want to break anything. Don't want to break through there.
Okay. Oh, good. We will be creating a new. See, this is our storage under our bedroom. This opening that you see right here is storage. And he created this door. He didn't like the hinges that he put on originally. So he'll be remaking that door, most likely. And right now, we kept this wall last to pull out because the storage room isn't that warm in there. So we're letting cold air into our house now. But
well, not
there'll
really.
be.
It just opens it up.
It opens it up, yeah.
It's blocked off from the hot air, so warmer.
Yeah, so this afternoon, then they go to Menards and buy the material, and then they'll be starting, I think, about 3 o'clock this afternoon with this project. See, so the wallboard is already on the end and the side.
Stilts? Yeah.
Heavy in my hand.
So this wall is pretty well finished. That's the little closet. And over here. Well, we found out how important it is to totally block off anything to the rest of the house. So this is the doorway to our storage. He put the trim on here. This is just the tape that goes on before mudding it. And then the other storage door, a little narrow clothes closet, is what Daniel's working on right now. He has the little edging on already, and now it's just fitting this door back on. And then that cubby hole up there was just for a decorative thing. That same edging went around that also. So there's still nail holes to cover yet, as you can see here. So not all the mudding is quite done yet. Then it'll be the sanding and then the texturizing. I'm trying to keep the floors clean. All that white powder gets all over. As you can see, the hallway is pretty good, but this flooring has that white all over it. So we'll cover that real good before they start sanding. And hopefully this job will be done soon. So, yeah.
Won't get done until next year.
That's right.
I'm making a place to put the hinge in here, and it sits in, so the door will be close inside here.
Yeah, because it used to be on that
Used to be on the other side.
So now he has to actually make a...
So I have to make a, so it all sits in there, it'd be square and level. So I just gotta make a little indentation here.
Yeah, so that's the start of it right there.
Yeah. Just the way chipping away and drawing it out, and so it all works out really nice.
Okay. So this is the finished walls now. We will be priming or painting for sure. We are real pleased with the little coat closet and all the edges. We don't have to trim out anything. This is the little decorative cubby hole. We don't have to trim around that. Daniel is putting on the little closet door. That's just a matter of placing this door back here. He had the hinges all set already. But this is the door that he has to create for our little storage area. But yeah, we were real happy with how the edges turned out. He's doing a little trim work on there. But this is the hallway. We'll probably start priming this any day now. But at the entrance, we were real happy with how the corner turned out. We don't have to do any trim work on the corner at all. They texturized the ceiling also in this hallway. So yeah, it's all set to go for painting. We did the priming, and then we did the first coat using a roller, and I did the brush on all the edges. And we found a problem with blotchiness, and we didn't know why. I looked online, and I took certain things into consideration. I took the roller and did the hallway and this wall that you're seeing here over again, and that improved it a lot. Hopefully we can get out one of these days and take a little car ride. We need to take a break once in a while from this home project, which has been going on before Christmas. Right now, today, it's -6.5 degrees. So So that's why this is just a good time for us to do our home projects, but hope to show you something more exciting soon. Thank you for watching.